Have you ever thought that walking could get you paid? Well, everything is possible these days, and I'm going to show you people making tons of money while walking outside. As usual, I will show you the strategy, how much people are making, and drop some exclusive tips that will help you double up your earnings. Sounds cool? Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get into it. Walking can get you paid enormously, and it's through the use of YouTube. Well, there are plenty of examples out there, but I have chosen this channel. It is called Soul Walker, and as you can see, the owner is simply uploading videos of himself walking in different cities. These videos are getting plenty of views every day, and as you might know, when it comes to YouTube, the more views you get, the more money you make. I am going to tell you later how much this channel is making, so keep watching. You can see that this video, for example, has received more than 1 million views, and it has only been uploaded 6 months ago. That's impressive. If you scroll down, you can see that these videos are quite popular, and they are all at least 1 hour long, which means that you can add in many in-video ads, and that would double up the monthly revenue. If you click on any of the videos, you can notice that the concept is super simple. The owner simply walks around while filming the street. There is pretty much no commentary or any editing. People love to watch these videos as it reminds them of some special memories or just to explore a city or specific street. Due to the global situation, traveling is not as simple as it used to be, so people use YouTube to see how life looks in different places around the world. Let me know the name of your city in the comment section. The world is extremely small these days, and who knows, we might be visiting each other one day. No worries, you don't have to travel, as I will show you a secret later on that will help you build a channel like this one without a passport or flight ticket. If we go to Social Blade, which is a platform that tracks the statistics of YouTube channels, you just need to go to socialblade.com. You can use this tool to check out the statistics of YouTube channels, Instagram, or Twitter accounts. If you are a YouTuber or planning to start a channel, I strongly invite you to spend some time on this platform to study your competitors, learn from their mistakes, and think of ideas to make more valuable content. Now, I want you to type in the name of the YouTube channel you are targeting in the search box here. Let's search for the Soul Walker channel. Well, here we go. We can see that this channel was created in mid-2019 and the owner has uploaded more than 400 videos. That's a huge number. And you might be wondering how they managed to visit all these places in such a short period. Keep watching, as I am revealing their secret in a bit. Other than that, the channel has more than 200,000 subscribers so far. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see that they are gaining around 500 additional subscribers every single day. But what about the ads revenues? Well, you can see here that the channel is making around $6,000 every month. That's $76,000 yearly income. And this is only from YouTube ads. If we check the description box of one of the videos, we can see that the channel is accepting PayPal donations, and viewers can also become members of the channel, which will cost them up to $9.99 per month. This channel has more than 200,000 subscribers. Imagine if they have 1,000 members. That's more than $9,000 of passive income every single month. On top of that, you can also include some affiliate marketing links. Many people would begin thinking about starting a channel on YouTube with the same concept, or just consider buying a camera that is similar to yours after watching the video. So you might include an Amazon affiliate link, which will allow you to gain some extra $100 or even $1,000 affiliate income every single month. Don't forget to check out the video we made recently on how to start a YouTube channel without showing your face. That video was extremely popular, and I will leave the link at the end of this video, so keep watching. Well, enough numbers for now. How's this channel getting all of these videos? Is the owner traveling to all these cities? That would cost them a fortune, right? Just think of the flight ticket and hotel costs. You don't have to worry about it, as you can just buy footage from all over the world while having your coffee at home. That's possible. There are plenty of ways to get this type of video. The easiest way is by posting a job offer on platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. You can choose criteria such as the quality of the footage, the duration, and whether you want any editing or whatsoever. Most of those videos are recorded with an affordable smartphone, but some people are using their DSLR cameras, so you can get even 4K or even higher resolution footage. People can send you some samples, and if you like them, you can ask them to record the video and send it to you. You can cover all cities around the world. Once your channel becomes popular, you can do this full time, especially if you are someone who likes traveling like me. If you don't want to invest any money at the moment, you can begin by recording videos of you walking in your city, or ask your friends to help you if they're living in another state or country. They just need to hold a phone and walk around for an hour. That's extremely good for their health as well. If you decide to record some videos yourself, I invite you to record your videos horizontally, because it's the format supported on YouTube. And to increase your reach and gain more subscribers, you can record some short videos, which is a new service that lets users create and upload a video of 15 seconds or less on YouTube. YouTube is currently competing with TikTok and would give you a tremendous organic boost if you begin uploading shorts, so make sure to capture some interesting scenes using your phone and upload them to YouTube. Other than that, once you begin gaining a lot of views, you can consider inviting your subscribers to submit some videos from their city. You can offer a free shoutout on your channel as an incentive. That will allow you to accelerate the upload momentum and gain more views. When it comes to YouTube, your first 1,000 subscribers are the most important ones, as they will share with you some suggestions on how to improve your content. And YouTube tends to appreciate the content that gets plenty of engagement, which is why I always ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. So don't forget to ask your viewers to evaluate your content so you can continue improving. Let me know if you have any questions about this strategy. And as always, you can show your appreciation by giving this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to click that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever a new video is released. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with another video on how to make money online.